Ping. This is one of the most common go-to commands when troubleshooting network issues. It's quick, simple, and gives you immediate feedback about connectivity. What does it do? It is a network diagnostic tool that verifies IP level connectivity to another TCP/IP machine. In layman's terms, it checks if another device on the network is reachable and how long does it take to respond. Let's start with the most basic test, pinging yourself using the loopback address 127.0.0.1. When you ping the loopback address, you're checking that your machine's TCP/IP stack is working properly. It doesn't leave your computer. You're just confirming that your network software is functioning. Now, let's step outside and see if we can reach other parts of the network. A common next step is pinging something outside your local network, like 8.8.8.8, which is Google's public DNS server. This tests if your machine can reach the internet without relying on DNS to resolve any names. Now that we've confirmed internet connectivity by pinging Google's IP address, let's take it one step further. Let's see if DNS is working by pinging a domain name like google.com. This tests whether your system can resolve domain names to IP addresses, which is critical for browsing the web. Now, by default, Windows command line sends 4 packets. As you can see by the output right here, packets sent equals 4, received equals 4. If you're on a Linux machine, it is a continuous ping until you stop it or you select the actual number that you want. So what if you want a continuous ping in Windows command line? This is where the TAC-T option comes into play. When you use the TAC-T option, you will ping the specified host until stop, and you can stop it by pressing Ctrl-C. And as you can see, 40 packets were sent, 40 packets were received. Using the TAC-T option is great for troubleshooting things like random disconnects or unstable Wi-Fi. But maybe you don't want to do a continuous ping, and maybe you don't want to do 4. You can also select the number of pings you want to use by using the TAC-N option, followed by a number. We selected 2, and as you can see, 2 packets were sent, 2 packets were received. Now, if you want more options or parameters that you can use with ping, just look at the manual. PING space /?, enter. And here you have all the options or parameters, as well as the syntax of what it's supposed to look like, with brief descriptors for each option. And that's the ping command, your first line of defense when troubleshooting network issues. Quick, simple, and always worth a shot. Thanks for watching.